Hello everyone, and a huge, massive Rebel County welcome to you all. You're joining me for an explainer today that is, well, honestly, it's incredibly close to my heart. We're diving right into the absolute pinnacle of the summer calendar down here in the south of Ireland. I'm talking about that special time when our beautiful city just completely reimagines itself. Yep, we are looking at the spectacular Cork Midsummer Festival 2026. So, go on, grab a cup of Barry's tea, get comfy, and let's explore the absolute most magical time of the year in Cork.
Okay, let's dive into this. Just look at the vibrant, totally unexpected energy we're dealing with here. I mean, it captures the absolute essence of this festival, right? This isn't one of those events hidden away in a muddy field miles from anywhere. No, this is a festival literally woven directly into the fabric of the city. We're talking giant, whimsical figures glowing against our historic architecture. The whole city transforms into a living, breathing stage. Everyday streets, they suddenly become these pop-up sites of pure wonder and surprise.
I absolutely love this quote from the festival's campaign. Art that surprises you, stories that stay with you. That's Cork. I say that with immense civic pride because honestly, it hits the nail right on the head. Cork has always been a city of storytellers. We're a place that doesn't just passively consume art, we live it. And this festival takes that local spirit and just amplifies it to an international level. It's really all about those fleeting, breathtaking moments you stumble upon, just walking home from work, and the stories that stick in your mind long after the final curtain falls.
Taking a macro view for a second, the overriding theme of the 2026 festival is exactly this: the city as a stage. The organizers have cleverly used the city itself as their backdrop, their canvas, and their inspiration. They aren't just putting on plays inside four walls. They're actually inviting you to view Cork through a completely different lens. The architecture, the river, the very pavement beneath your feet, it literally all becomes part of the performance.
10 full, glorious days of extraordinary arts completely taking over the streets. The sheer scale and ambition to sustain this level of creative output across an entire city is just staggering. It basically means no matter how busy your schedule is, the magic is out there waiting for you.
So, do me a favor, get your diaries out right now. The exact dates are the 12th to the 21st of June, 2026. You really need to clear your calendars for this unforgettable summer window. Whether you're a local or you're planning to hotfoot it down to the southwest coast of Ireland, this is absolutely the time to be here. Now, let's look at the incredible headline acts that are going to anchor those 10 days.
Let's just slow the pace down for a moment to really savor the details of our first massive headline act. This is where tradition collides with movement. We are talking about the highly anticipated production 1975, or Ná Deag Seachtain Cúv in Irish, by the legendary dance and theater company Teach Domsa.
Now, what's really interesting about this slide is this beautiful collision of eras and styles. On one side, we've got deep, traditional Irish heritage, right? Represented by the Bothy Band's absolutely iconic 1975 album. And on the other side, we have this breathtaking modern movement. Teach Domsa is creating this must-see performance ritual where the profound, rootsy music of the Bothy Band merges totally as one with contemporary dance. But what makes this truly matter to us is how it explores modern Irish identity. It's this bold assertion that our deepest pasts and our dynamic physical present aren't separate things at all, but they're part of the exact same continuous heartbeat.
Okay, so from deep tradition, we are ramping up the energy to something entirely different for our second headliner. Enter This Is Pop Baby with their explosive new show, 0800 Cupid. This is being billed as a queer, countercultural cabaret opus. And look, if you know anything at all about This Is Pop Baby, you already know to expect the spectacularly unexpected.
Just look at the sensory language used to describe this in the program: nightlife gatecrash, raucous cabaret, and musical extravaganza. I mean, you can almost feel the bass thumping in your chest and see the glitter catching the lights. The source material notes that 0800 Cupid fizzes right there on the boundary between performance and reality. It's one of those shows that promises to grab you by the collar, drag you onto the dance floor, and basically refuse to let go until you are completely exhilarated.
Moving on, let's see how this builds our diverse program. We're shifting our focus over to the majestic, historic Cork City Hall venue. I want you to imagine the grand architecture, the high ceilings, the sweeping classical lines of the building. Okay, now imagine filling that stately space with heart-stopping, world-class contemporary circus.
So I have to ask you,
Are you ready to defy gravity? Because that is exactly what the internationally award-winning troupe Gravity and Other Myths will be doing with their spectacle 10,000 Hours. This is our third major headliner, bringing an awe-inspiring physical showcase right to the heart of civic life in Cork. It is a stunning testament to human strength, to trust, and to the literally thousands of hours of dedication required to make the impossible look completely effortless.
Shifting the tone a bit to a more theatrical, dramatic register, we're heading over to the beloved Everyman Theatre for our final two headline programs. Now, the Everyman is a total institution in Cork. It's famous for its stunning Victorian interior and its hardcore commitment to serious drama. And for 2026, it's serving as the launchpad for some seriously bold, unflinching new voices.
I suppose it was one of the happiest nights of my life. That line is from Mark Ravenhill's acclaimed play, Pool No Water. It sounds perfectly idyllic, doesn't it? Well, don't be fooled for a second. The premise actually follows a group of artists on a trip abroad, and a shocking event occurs that just completely distorts everything. It's a razor-sharp exploration of friendship, jealousy, and the dark underbelly of the art world itself. It promises to be an incredibly gripping, intense night of theater.
And this brilliantly illustrates the festival's commitment to the future of the arts. They call it the Everyman Upfront program. Basically, right alongside the established heavyweights, the festival is stripping things way back. They're hosting readings of bold new plays right there on the Everyman 4 stage. It's raw, it's intimate, and it puts the unapologetic talent of emerging dramatic voices front and center. You're getting to witness the genesis of what could very well be the next great Irish masterpiece.
Zooming back out to the macro view of the city for a second, we really have to look at how all these incredible diverse elements, the traditional dance, the raucous cabaret, international circus, gripping drama, how they all come together into one cohesive sort of magic. The motto you're going to see plastered all across the city is simple: expect the unexpected. Because really, that's the whole point.
So, the crucial point is this. The Cork Midsummer Festival isn't just safely contained within the walls of the Everyman or City Hall. You're going to find performances in historic forts, inside towering churches, out in bustling city squares, and even in secret spaces you probably walk past every single day without noticing. But there's a deeper insight here too. By utilizing these non-traditional spaces, the festival completely democratizes the arts in Cork. It breaks down those invisible barriers that sometimes keep people out of traditional venues, proving once and for all that world-class art belongs right there, directly in the daily path of everyday people.
Between the 12th and the 21st of June, the barrier between the audience and the artist just dissolves completely. It's this incredible celebration of community, of creativity, and of the undeniable charm of Cork itself. So the only question left to ask yourself is this: are you ready to step onto the stage of Cork City? Because, folks, the curtain is about to rise.
Thank you so much for joining me on this deep dive into the extraordinary lineup for the Cork Midsummer Festival 2026, published by A.Ward Publications.